Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to remove multiple or duplicate apps on home screen of your iPhone. As you can see, in my home screen, I have two Instagram applications. Now, if you want to remove it, then just tap on the application that you want to remove and keep holding it for a few seconds. Then you will see this drop down. From there, select Remove App option and select Remove from Home Screen. If you want to completely remove this application from your device, then there is the other way to do so. For that, simply go through the settings on your iPhone. From there, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage option. From here, you can view all of the application you have installed previously on your iPhone. Now choose the application that you want to delete from your iPhone. Then there you'll see Delete App option, tap on it. And a prompt will appear saying all of your data will be lost. If you want to continue, then tap on Delete. That was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.